Welcome back, Sneaker Division. It's another episode. We got another good one for you.
I win.
He wins. He wins.
I win. So I got the Adidas Yeezy Carbons this time. I'm telling you, bro, I hit on these Yeezys all the time. I hit on them way more than I do on the sneakers app or the Nikes.
Constantly.
Like the only time I get Nikes is whenever they actually like mass produce the shoes. If it's any like special edition release or like limited edition release, no chance. I've never gotten one.
Right.
Have you?
Nope.
Never. Even like before we started all this, right?
I've yet to win anything off Sneakers app.
Man, it's ridiculous. So, I'm telling you, bro.
All my wins have been from like Adidas and like maybe other StockX, you know what I mean? Winning beds and stuff. But other than that, like, or another website too, but never Sneakers.
I'm telling you, bro. Remember Gluty from Rick and Morty?
Yeah.
I'm pretty sure they developed an app with him.
Yeah, Sneakers was developed by Gluty.
Anyways, let's get into this one, guys. But I'm gonna let you get into this one, brother.
All right, we'll start with this one first.
Got a new knife today. You got it. What do we got here?
Yeah.
Hey, it's not tan no more. It's not tan.
It's not tan no more.
It's not brown.
Finally.
It's not another shade of brown.
No, I'm gonna say like it's nice to finally see a all black type of and grayish type of color, because these browns and shades of browns that he was going with, bro.
Every single one, man, I feel like.
It was like...
So, I don't know if you know about these. Originally, these were called the Azraphils.
Azraphils, yeah.
But that is, I guess, a prophet from Muslim religion about music. I'm not really sure exactly. The Archangel of Music, I think it said. Something like that.
Something like that, I don't know.
So anyways, they didn't want to offend anybody, and then so they eventually did just change it to carbon. But if you actually look on the box, which I'll get a picture of it, it still says...
The actual name on it? The Azraels.
Yep.
Yep.
So, the only
Archangel.
boxes that they actually swapped out is any of the ones that went to any Muslim countries, which I think is just hilarious because they're like trying to be PC, but then they only did it for the people like that might see it. It's like, that's like talking shit about Amish people and then like, just hoping they don't see it because they're Amish.
You know what's funny is that, like, I don't know why in particular, like, it takes something from Muslim, because in all honesty, Azrael is an archangel. Doesn't belong to any particular religious category. He is just an archangel in
I mean, it says in the Muslim,
hierarchy.
It just says he's an archangel of music in Muslim
There
religion.
you go. So, like, he's still an archangel, though.
Yeah.
So, like, it doesn't matter. That's archangel of music, whatnot. I mean, think about it. Kanye is kind of like the archangel of music sometimes.
I guess so. That kind of makes sense. It's controversial as hell what you just said, but okay. But again,
I'm not saying that he is an angel in all any type of way, because he's crazy.
You're not meaning it literal, you're meaning metaphorically.
But, like, you know, he has dropped some genius tracks. He has dropped some genius beats.
He's also done some dumb stuff too.
Yeah. But it doesn't take away from his talents too, you know what I mean? And I think that's all he was just trying to tie it into. I think he was just trying to tap into that hierarchy of talent, of power.
That's what's up.
But it's dope. I like it because it's finally not another shade of brown.
Yeah, I think they look great.
Just out of curiosity, what
I wonder if they did come up with another laces. Just another set of black.
It's like gray though.
Is it? It looks almost the exact same. I don't know.
You should have came out with some bright ass
like red,
greens,
like they did the last one.
Some orange or something. Come on, man.
Yeah, for real.
What kind of laces are these, bruh?
I don't know. I still love the boost, man. The way this boost feels. Like, I really wish that I could walk around in these things and see how that shit feels, because it feels like you be walking on clouds almost.
Oh, I know.
But, oh well. He'll let me know how they feel like. Bang. Get those out of here. Ching. Totally different brand, but I had to check it out. I have never gotten an original colorway. I know these are probably your favorite colorway, are they? Or no? I haven't even pulled them out yet. He doesn't know, I don't think. Bang, bang.
Actually, one of these, the Jordan 1 Low breads.
So this is the OG colorway. This is the Chicago Bulls colorway, the black and reds, whatever you want to call them.
The bands, but in lows.
I like the stitching on the Air Jordan on the back. It looks really nice.
Yeah, I feel like I'm more of a low top type of guy. So,
For the Jordan 1 lows specifically?
No, for any type of
just
shoe.
any shoes?
Yeah, I like low tops better. It's easier for me to put my big feet in.
Yeah.
I've been looking into getting these, actually. That's awesome. And it's got the nylon type of tongue too. So
yeah.
I know I definitely prefer the nylon
tongue
over the leather, because like the nylon is like
more durable, it feels like.
That, and it's softer on your like ankle part right there. Versus like the leather, sometimes it gets rough and like
stiff.
Yeah, like it is pretty nice, pretty dope. It is pretty nice.
So which one would you rather rock? These are the
I rock them
the
both.
Yeezys.
I rock them both, honestly.
Yeah?
Not one over another, but both individually, like equally.
To floss on somebody though, what would you rather wear?
I don't know. It just depends on what I'm flossing on.
I mean, we don't know how long it's gonna take for these Yeezys to actually accrue and make any money off of them either. So they're only going for like, I think $30 more than what I paid for them. So, you know, it's not like you're really flossing on anybody with those. I feel like if we hold on to them for 10 years though, and then
these two though,
they're worth like 10 grand or something, it'd be another story.
These are nice.
I don't know. You see this? They got like Nike be messing up lately. They got like little glue spots and stuff all over the place.
Huh.
Little smudges here and there.
Huh.
I don't know.
With any other laces? No.
Nike needs to step their game up.
No other laces. Come on, Nike. You should have thrown on another different color of laces, man.
Something. Anything. White laces.
Like the red ones.
Some red laces. Anything.
Some red and white laces. Some red and striped white laces. Like something.
Remember, like, comment, subscribe,
Ding, ding, ding,
ring
ding,
a bell,
ding, ding, ding.
whatever it is. We got to get this channel popping, guys. We're gonna come out some channel trailers soon. Hopefully we'll be able to get some advertisements and different things like that. Start growing the channel a little more organically. Remember, until next time, it's nice to be important, but it's more important to be nice.
We will catch you later.